You flip direction, like you change your name. You burn my balance, then you crown me king. You kiss my margin, and you bite my hand, but I keep returning for another dance. I let you drag me through heated nights, chasing blessings in your rolling dice. Hurt me, thrill me, break me twice, as long as you keep naming my pride. Letty is my lover. When you move, I discover every spike, every shudder. That's the way we make it rain. You go wild, I get richer. Draw your curves on my fingers. Every swing, cause deeper, but I can't step away. Rise you up, rise you down. Let you throw me around. Red or green on your skin.
Wake up, saints and sinners. Screens glow, spirit lifted. It's the Big Daddy Morning Show. Yeah. Tap in. Get blessed by the breakout. Yeah. Coffee steam and a green candle. Big Daddy Max with his hands on the handle. Charts up like a stained glass panel. Preaching price levels, lighting up the channel. Verse 15, y'all, that's the line. Opening range, mark horizontals in white. If it rips past high, he's riding that flight. If it snaps that low, he's short and on sight. Let's go!
It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
Gospel in the game. Holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet, yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet, yo.
Lama, red pajama on the cam. Laughing while he draws those levels on the span. Golden line swing like a church choir stand. Pull back, hit the mark, that's a gift, that's a plan. Fibs on the move, he hums like a hymn. From the swing to the wick, watch the retrace swim. If it holds that zone,
he's all in with the grin.
If it cracks that floor,
he's dancing out again. Step out. It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
gospel in the game.
Hallelujah, holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet, yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet, yo. Candles talk, what they saying? They say trend strong, y'all keep praying. Which shout, what they showing? They show turnarounds, time to get going. Red to green, congregation stands. Green to red, they clap their hands. Even in a loss, they sing that song. Right edge, right wrist, we'll be strong. It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
In the game on the floor.
Most entertaining thing on the internet, yo.
Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet.
Count it up. 1, 2. This a check they said I'd never see. Look at me now. Yeah. Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing wind while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step.
Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Grease said double up, fear said bail. Mind doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back. They said get a real job, dreams too small. While I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stay back testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cut and win short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm, email almost failed that phase. One pip shot, thought I lost those days, but I tightened my rules like my laces on the track. Came back, hit target, little green on the stack. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Futures, options, and day trading involve substantial risk of loss. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. Past performance does not guarantee future results. All commentary represents personal opinions and analysis that may change without notice. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional before trading. Viewing this show does not create an advice relationship.
Oh, yeah. Wake up, saints and sinners. Screens glow, spirit lifted. It's the Big Daddy Morning Show. Yo. Tap in. Get blessed by the breakout. Yeah.
We don't do it for financial advice, pussy. It's entertainment.
It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when
Look at the dump. Holy shit. Bang, 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 bang. TP.
most entertaining thing on the internet. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the
People on the strong stop losses at orb.
on the internet.
I said, my first day here. How often do you hit like this, Max? Every fucking day.
Ah! 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 That's my impression of a bird that is in distress after flying over a very cold pocket of air. That's my impression of a bird. Go, that's very cold. Ah! 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 I'm so cold flying over this cold pocket of air. Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy Big Daddy Max. I'm with the one and only Lama Red Pajama, Mr. Sober Pay to Play. It is January 27th. It is 9:30 in the morning, and the market is live. Baby, the market is live, and we're going to have a great day, everybody. We are going to have a great day. What'd you guys think of my impression of a bird flying over cold air? Seriously, did you guys like my impression? Did you guys like my impression of a bird flying over cold air and it was freezing? Because it's 40 degrees in Florida right now, Llama. It's 40 degrees in Florida right now.
Fucking freezing, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Fucking
Like,
freezing.
I hate it. I hate it.
OD as fuck. Guys, if you're in that short, take a partial there. See if we go to 36 and start reversing or not. It could reverse from here, though. That was a heavy partial at the 60s. There's no what we're looking for. If this starts to get bullish, I'm going to jump long as well. They don't want to go to the 30s.
I did think it was going to pop back up to the 80s, but to pop
I
up
want to
30
get bullish. My overall bias was bullish, but it was kind of weak, so I expect that little drop, and there's the clean reversal it's going so far already.
That's a structure break right there. That looks good.
Too late to enter for me.
SPX looking very, very wild. Oh, I'm on the wrong chart. I'm looking at the candles. I'm like, yo, these candles are wild as fuck right now. I was on the 15-second chart for some reason. I was like, yo, these candles are freaking me out.
that 15 second, I do it to you, man.
It almost gave me a heart attack, and I gotta tell you,
Yes is weak here, though.
It's not
Might
very.
might be a fake up move. I'm gonna wait this out. I need to wait here.
It's the Big Daddy Morning Show.
If we do break a high, then I'll like consider it. But ES is just tanking. ES is
ES
tanking. Very weird.
is the SPX. Oh wow, SPX is tanking. A lot of relative strength on NQ.
Hold on.
Let's
ES
see.
needs to start picking up here. NQ could pop. This should just signal the long here. I get a just a tester in here. The way that it's breaking that high, I think I get a tester in.
I don't know. I'm not sold on the long right there. I'm not
If I go
sold yet.
stop under the candle, it's like 12 points.
SPX is dragging ass.
Yeah, ES is very weak, but it's like
Yeah,
it could go, to be honest.
it looks like it wants to, but SPX is once SPX pops up, then yeah, it's gone. But it's dragging ass right there.
Should created a 60-point range in the first 2 minutes. It's like
I like
it
that.
goes to the bottom of the range, you get fucking rinsed. But right here in the middle of the range, could get in like stop right under that, I guess. I don't know. If I were to get in, I'd get a stop like at fucking bottom of that candle at 80. That's already about to get hit.
Right.
Get it
I like
now,
the
it's like
short.
5
I like
points.
the short if it breaks below 80,
I might have to
85,
fade
80.
that.
I like the short, Llama. I
I might
think
have to fade that with a 5-point SL long.
it's at the bottom of the zone, and SPX is so weak here. Let's see if it breaks Future at 2. If it breaks below that, so there it goes. There it goes. That is a huge dumper. Huge dumper. I'm going to see if it continues. There it goes. There it goes. I'm going to scalp that. I'm going to scalp that. I'm going to see if it can hold below 85, 85-ish.
Because now
Yeah.
ES is holding, bro. I'm like, what the fuck is happening?
Let's see.
ES was just looking weak, and now it's not dumping how NQ is.
No, there it is. Quick little scalp there on the short. I mean, the short looks good to me still. I think it's going to go down and
Feel that wick.
that's why I said I think it's going to go down and test that wick. There it goes. Wow!
Ooh,
Wow!
explosive.
Wow! I'm out!
Explosive.
Wow! I'm out!
Ooh,
Wow!
what
It
was
wicked
that?
me.
Yeah.
Wow! Look at the short. What was that?
I don't
30
know,
fucking
bro. It's
points short,
aggressive.
baby. Let's
Aggressive. It's very
go.
weird.
You guys want to hear my
Wait,
impression
this
of a
like
cold
another
bird?
wick.
Let's go. Cash accounts.
Hmm.
Quick wick in and quick wick out. There's the execution on the short. Over 1,500, 1,600, 1,700 cash. 1,700 cash,
It's a
baby.
very explosive candle with the wiki, and now ES is picking up. Like, what the fuck is happening?
Guys,
I
it's
want to see
not
if we go to this 36, bro. Like, I really wanted to see it go to
I like the
36.
short a lot. I got to log off these accounts though because one and done.
One and down. Fuck.
Oh, you said that perfectly in unison. You said that so perfectly, Llama. Wow, it was amazing. What a short. And I like the structure break. I think the short can keep
Yes.
going, guys. This is a big structure break. I would target 33. I think it could dump all the way to 30. I think it could dump all the way to 33. I got to switch accounts. I got to switch accounts and get ready to lock the fuck back in. I think it could go all the way to 33, Llama.
Like, fucking contemplating here.
I think if this rejects, I think we're going down to 33 because the relative I'm
I
just
was
going
super imbalanced sitting at 36, like from overnight. It just looks very weird, that imbalance. That was why I was targeting it.
It's the thuggish ruggish bone.
ES still sitting.
Wow.
ES is now looking bullish. Like,
Bro,
what the fuck is happening?
It's be flipping, son. It be flip flopping, son. You can't trust
I'm
these
waiting.
hoes.
I'm
You
catching
can't
the same
trust
today. I'm
these
just waiting on
hoes.
it.
You can't trust these hoes, Llama.
Interesting.
Flip flopping
trust
on
these
your ass. Look at the dumper here. I think we're going to 33. I think we're going to 33. We're going to 33. I'll fucking spit in my chair. I swear to God, I'll spit in my
Spit on it?
Ah! Ah!
There
Ah!
it is. There's the area we talked
33.
about this morning.
Rory! Rory!
There's the area we talked about this morning. It's like, does it bounce from here? Does it dump now to 890? Breaks this, it's just gonna go
Bam!
here.
There it is. Yo!
This might go 8. 90 if this holds. If not, I'm gonna look for a long off this level.
Let me get a profit roll call in the chat. Let me get a profit roll call in the chat, baby. Let's watch the reaction and bounce. I don't see any more real imbalances. I don't see any more imbalances. The next low, it's in the 20s. I mean, right here. This is the last imbalance that I have. The next thing is a whole number. A whole number would be next. I don't know if it's gonna go all the way to a whole number, which would be 900, but that short was insane. We just went berserk. Let me see the profit roll call profit roll call profit roll call roll call roll call roll. Oh, you know what the little bell means, baby. Roll call. You know what the bell means.
It might be the little 890. See if it goes at this point. It's kind of look at Renee 4,500, 3,600. Damn.
Profit roll
Mhm.
call.
It's tanking right now. This might be looking for that 890 at this point.
What's your fib? What's your main fib at down here, Llama? What's your next big zone down here? That's what I'm looking for.
880, but
That's
then
what
we have
waiting.
another level at 890.
Future
I
Strat
might go
2
890 and then
on
880.
NQ and Future Strat 5. Oh! So as I was saying before, there is a potential candlestick imbalance at this level. We may see a reversal at some point. I would like to continue to monitor the price action until we see a clear reversal or continuation. I'm not sure. Let's see what happens at this time. Let's see what happens at this time. So people hire me for presentations, bro. Presentations. I'm the fucking head person of a worldwide trading event in 2 days. I just sucked my microphone.
Oh my god. Does it actually I'm not convinced on this. I gotta wait on this. ES is now starting to turn.
Llama, hold on.
It's a
Hold on a
divergence
second.
as fuck though, bro. Like ES was looking bullish. This shit tanked. Now ES is tanking. This shit's popping up. You have
Right.
a divergence. It's got to
Right.
clear like this 36 for me to like it, like a full print through. If not,
definitely.
then it can just fucking keep going down. ES is
Wild
tanking.
strength right now. Yeah, wild strength right now. SPX is clearly heading to inside of yesterday's price action, potentially to a gap fill. I mean, that's clear as day. But NQ is holding like a rock.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, I like
extra squeeze on ES. Extra squeeze. What the fuck is happening?
If that candle broke, I would have gone long there. But since that candle
on this
didn't
break
break,
of 36, if it fully prints through, then I'd like to see a reverse all the way back up. I would like to see that, but if it just wicks out here, then it keeps dumping. But if this prints through, it might be good. I said hello, Max and Lama. Hello, Queen. Hello, Queen. She said grr. Grr. I said hello, grr.
I like that break. I like that break, Rama.
I like this too. I like this too.
I like that long here. I like that long here. Yeah, I like the long, Llama.
I like this too.
Wow, I like the long a lot.
Full breakthrough 36.
Wow, yeah, I like that long a lot. Wow.
See how aggressive it wicks on the last 10 seconds.
Let's see what SPX is doing, though. I mean, that's a huge break back up for SPX. I'm going to wait for this candle to close. We're going to get orb in 5 minutes here, but I think we might have a potential push up if this SPX candle doesn't fucking, there it goes, a little pullback, a little
pullback might get me in.
Right, and then I might want to see the long here. Now I want to see the shotgun up to midline. Here we go. I want to see a shotgun up to midline. That'll be the quickest scalp of their life. Quickest scalp of your life right here. Little pull up to midline. Bang, bang. There it is. Bang, just like that. Just like that.
Fucking wick out right after.
Hold on. Hold on, daddy. Hold on, daddy. Don't do me like that, daddy.
Let's see if it breaks through midline. ES just fully broke through like it was fucking paper.
Paper. I'm chasing paper, Llama. What's going on with the ratio on these accounts? It's really frustrating me. Manage group. There's a ratio issue on these accounts
Okay, hold on. We're breaking midline. Hold on.
because
I have to partial some at these midlines, to be honest.
oh no. I told you I like that.
Nope. No, I'm in it.
I like that long. Yeah, I told you I like that
I
long
jumped
a
in
lot.
at 50. It's moving. I'm up. I'm up big. I'm gonna have to partial some here.
There we go, guys. There we go. We played it down, and now we play it up. We played it down, and now we play it up.
I'm up 100 chicks. $500 per fucking.
I'm up 2, and I'm trailing my stop, guys. I'm trailing. Stop at break even. Stop at break even. I got in at 55.
I mean,
Stop.
at 56. Yeah.
Yep. Stop is at breaky EV.
Yeah, I gotta stop
at
just sitting at
breakeven.
58. I
You know what?
already
I want
paid
to take a little
myself.
profit. I'm in heavy. I'm going to take a little profit. I'm in kind of heavy. Yeah. These
I would stop sitting at 58. I already partialed out literally at the 80s. I'm like
gonna be
content with that.
trimming these micros like
Gotta get pulled out there. Ooh, it edged the fuck out of me. If this stays alive, I'll probably start stroking my shit.
I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
I would stop at 58. Hard stop. There it is. Pulled out.
Yeah, I trimmed on the micros there. First funded.
From
There's
red
another. There's all the executions live right there, guys. I'm up another 2,400. I'm up 5,000, 4,700 on the day. Live, all traded right there. Told you all the short. Told you the long. Told you my stop was at break. Posted the live executions. Big Daddy Morning Show's live. What else you do? You want me to get my ass naked?
Yeah. That'll be cool.
It's the Big Daddy Morning Show.
Is this another re-entry? You think this establishes a fucking higher low and then just flips over here?
Wait a minute.
The wiki candles, or does it feel this way? Yes, it's still looking pretty strong here. It's my strong hand. I went from red to green, so I'm happy. I took a L in pre-market. 8-point L. Mom looks tired, but I fell asleep at 4:30 last night. I'm exhausted.
Watch SPX for a potential pullback to midline here. We have orb in 1 minute. We have orb in 1 minute, and I like SPX potential pullback. Let's watch this midline closely, guys. We've had a lot of rejection, a lot of push through the midline today. Not a lot of consolidation, so I'm really watching that midline to determine the next leg up or down. That's where I like. And right now it's looking really bullish. Double wicks on NQ. I think it could come back. I would love to see it come back up and test 70, 80.
I like to see it just explode. That was that re-entry right there.
That market structure test, and then let's see if it could continue up and get up to that 70, 80 would be. That's where I'm looking right now for long right there. Let SPX guide you. Break the high wicks right there. If SPX breaks these high wicks, we're going to the top of orb. This will be the easiest long, the easiest schlong we've ever seen, Lama. I want to see SPX break. There we go. There we go. Break those wicks and go to highs. Break the schwicks and go to highs. NQ.
Let's see if it goes here. See if it goes here, twin.
The trend is there. It goes. The trend is up. The trend is up. NQ. Don't drag. Don't drag.
Yes needs to break out here.
There goes
yes is already sitting topside.
Testing the wick. There it goes. There it goes. Give me that 7. We're in the 70s. I just want to see some 80s. There it is. Come on. Come on. Show me the 80s. No pullback, please. There it is. Keep going.
No pullback, please.
Keep
Keep
going.
going, please.
Keep going.
Broke their midline. Like,
there it goes. There it goes.
Hit a little push here will be good.
Hit 80 for me,
Daddy.
Daddy.
Good.
Oh.
Yes, is struggling to break orb.
I'm going to take profit. I can't keep doing this to him, Lama. I can't keep doing this to him. I can't keep doing this to them. There's another live execution, and we are now up 16 to
midline test. You want to see this
37.
next candle turn into you want to see this turn into a 3-bar off this midline test? That'd be insane.
There it is.
There's a perfect tap off the midline. really want to see a push on ES breakout, and then you want to see NQ3 bar off
I
of
think it's exactly what
full
I think.
range up is what you want to see.
Exactly what I think is going to happen here is what Lama just said. That there goes the SPX, there goes the push
How do
through,
these toys
and there's
keep
the
calling
80s,
bangers?
and there's the 80s, and there's the 80s,
There's your
there's the
breakout.
80s. Another 25
There's your
points.
breakout. Yep, I'm fucking rolling right now. Literally
Oh
click the
my
row
god!
when we hit that midline.
How does this guy keep doing it? I thought he
Oof,
did
right back
reaction
down.
videos.
Right back down. Come on. Come on.
Who
Big
just
wickout.
called me a fucking torta on YouTube?
Who said torta? Someone called you a torta?
Oh,
I wouldn't take that disrespect.
thank
I would
you,
not take that
Logan.
disrespect.
Thank you, Logan. Logan, the CSO. Really appreciate Logan, the CSO. Logan,
You guys did not
$2
want to break
dono.
out here.
I hate Logan. I hate Logan.
Yes, did not want to break out here. This might be just like a partial out while you're in profit and just slap it break even before it actually can tank on you.
I hate.
All right, I'm going stops at 69 off of that wick. If it continues out, we're good. If not, this is just going to tank back down. I don't want to be in that. ES did not want to break out. This wick out gave us some profit to at least collect some money just in case. But this on ES is ugly.
Big shout out, guys. Remember all of the text to speech on YouTube, those donations straight to
I'll
the
go to this
moderator staff, straight to the moderator staff, and killing the game.
hesitating
Guys.
here.
Absolutely killing the game. Congratulations to you guys. If you
There goes
guys,
ES. Does it print outside now or does it just wick
there
out
goes
again?
SPX is
Still holding
pump-
it. Still holding it. I'm fully hard stops at 69. So already partialed out on the little up move that it did for 20 points. And
Deb,
then just wait.
Deb, you're in a porta potty. We used to say in the army, we used to say that if you took a shit in 100-degree porta potty, that you were pretty strong. But if you spank the monkey, in a porta potty that's 100 degrees, then you're army strong. So there's a difference.
That's
You ever heard of that, Llama?
Yeah, I've heard you talk about it. That's I remember saying when you were in the army, you guys used to have like a long line to go give the monkey a haircut inside of the porta potty.
I love giving the monkey a haircut.
We're breaking out. Look at this. This fucking 60. I'm up $300 on one mini. $300 on one mini.
You're gonna see a V shape. Do you like things?
That's what I want to see. I want to see a full move. Like a full move.
Great job, guys. Great job. Shout out to all my veterans who understand the
clean, just break and retest off midline.
Shout out to all my veteran family. You get it. You did it. I did it. We're nasty. Absolute bangers.
Full breakout. This has a lot of room to continue here. It's got to break. If it breaks through this 90, breaks to 26,000. This is looking good. I might just scale into it at this point. I'm up 500 on one mini. Got to give a clean print through, and I'll scale into it.
Huge breakout. Wow. Just like Lama said, perfect pullback and go. The initial long was 40 plus points ago. 40 plus points, more free range chicken for you guys.
More. The first long was at 35. It's like 60 points already.
Lama, we have 3 MVGs on this SPX or break above. 3. The first one just got hit. The second one is at 74. And the next one is at 77. Clear price targets for the long here. Clear. Let's see 26,000 break. Let's break 26,000 and it's going, baby. Here we go.
It's ripping.
Everybody eating today. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Yum 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 yum. Everybody's eating today.
I scaled into it and I'm still up 25 points. This is looking pretty solid here. Gotta be careful though. Yes is about to hit that London ski. Which is gonna be topside orb over here, so you gotta be careful.
Second MVG that just filled. There's only one more above at 77. That's the second one. That's your next profit taking zone. Wow. Wow. You're gonna hold this thing for a bag, aren't you, twin? I know you are.
I'm holding the fuck out of this, bro. My entry did get rose all the way from fucking 65 all the way to like 80. So it's like 15 points there, but
Nice.
I'm still
Nice
gonna
job.
hold it, bro. I'm just green. Just green. We're just green here.
Guys, remember to check out today's sponsor, Tradeify.
Just green here,
Tradeify,
twin.
make sure you guys tap in with Tradeify funded, baby. The #1 straight to sim funded with daily payouts in the game. You guys make sure you lock in with Tradeify. And who knows, we might give away a few select accounts today, baby. After hitting bags like this, we might give away some accounts. I mean, we are going to give away some accounts. What do you mean by that? What do you mean Vegeta shape recovery?
Oh, holding this.
No. What do you mean by that? It's a Vegeta shape recovery. What is that?
Vegeta shape recovery is impressive. Not gonna lie. Someone
No,
give that boy a
no.
free account.
What does that mean?
Somebody give that boy a free account. That's impressive.
What does that mean?
I
No,
respect that.
no.
I respect that.
Yo,
I respect that.
yo, what's in the chat right now?
Seen that? Seen that. All right, topside orb here. This is gonna be a partial, guys. If we break through this, we have hella room, but this is a partial, bro. I'm up 150 ticks. 750 per con. Right now.
Here comes the next price target, Llama. Here comes. It's ripping up to 77.
Yep. I'm gonna have to take a partial here. I'm about to be up $2,000. 1,000 per mini right now. No, 1,000 per mini right now. I have 2 minis and I scaled into it. When we pulled back, I scaled into it and I got in with 2 minis. I was already in like 20 points of profit.
No, wait for the next bell. The next bell is my next PT on the long. I can't believe we sniped that reversal.
I'm gonna take a partial there.
So
My
clean
entry
like
just
that.
got rose all the way to 96. Ouchie. That's ugly.
Llama's in a trade, killing the game.
I'm just gonna go a stop right under this candle. Hopefully we just see a little break, a retest, stay outside of orb and continue here. If this dumps back into orb, it's gonna get very bearish, but I'm gonna be out of it if it does that. So we're good. We're in heavy profits, bro. I'm up overall over a 10K day.
Let's go, twin. Bro, this is the craziest long.
There's
I truly believe, bro. Here comes the bell.
Hold on.
One more push up, and here comes the bell, baby. This is my final PT. I think NQ is going to get up to 50-ish, 42 to 50 here. When we see this final bell, it's going to be the profit-taking zone. If you guys don't want to wait and force, try and force 10 more points, this is where you take profit and you call it a fucking amazing, goated day. We rode the short
24.
We rode the short all the way down and then sniped the first long 100 points ago. Welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show with Lama.
Oh my God, we're still going. I'm literally
There
up
goes.
1,000 on
There
one
goes.
mini. 1,000 on one mini. With my entry getting taken out from 50 all the way to 96. 50-point entry got killed, and I'm still up 1,000 per mini. That's crazy. It's
What?
just up 100 points from where I got in at.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
this is nice.
Let me get another profit roll call. Let me get another profit roll call.
This was so
Let me get
crazy.
another profit roll call.
We talked about this in the pre-market, guys. A simple little drop. Overall bias was bullish for the pop.
Let me get another profit roll call.
And the move back up. I think it was talked about in verbatim levels and all, guys. I'm pretty sure you guys do recall. Can I get an I recall in the chat if you recall?
Hold on. Look at the profits. About to start riffing. Here we go. 966, 506, 505, 1336, 1161, 563, 141, 1367, 249, 843, 881, 1475, 388, 270, $663 one time. 1211. I recall. 340. Wonderful work. 204 there. We're still going to the upside. No reason to get out of the long, by the way. $683. I recall. $113. $1,500. $1,435. $873. I recall. $453. Nice. $1150 and trailing. $14.99. $11.25. Wing nut red. $9.96. Ooh, 177 across 20 accounts. That's $3,400.
I'm
Congratulations.
gonna change my trail to 40, guys. I'm gonna try a 40 under that candle.
Over 1,000, just passed an account. 1509, 1400, 682, 612, 958, 1060, 157, 1510, 360, 1159. Whoa, big boy, 6,658,
I'm
25.
trading at 47.5 right under this candle, guys.
Rob, are those the fundeds?
It takes me out.
Rob, are those the fundeds? Look at my boy Rob again. Yo,
he's a dirty dog, bro. He is a dirty dog.
Rory! Wow, those are the fundeds? Nice job. Let's go. My daughter
Stops are sitting at 40.75, guys.
My
Trail
daughter,
close here.
my daughter put
starting
me
to
in
curl.
minis over micros, and you're up 1437. You better take your daughter for some ice cream, bitch. You better take your daughter out for some ice cream.
We're starting to curl here, guys. Stops are sitting at 47.5, 50 points in profit with the scale out. Should be 100 points in profit if you didn't touch your position. This is going to be a scale out.
Yep. Guys,
It's the Big Daddy Morning Show.
we will now open the floor to any questions about racism. We will now open the floor to any questions.
Yes, it's looking weak here, guys. Remember, trail at 40, 40.75. This is starting to curl. It's looking pretty ugly. Hopefully, it just fucking gets a divergence and NQ keeps ripping higher. That'll be even better for us. But this rejection on ES is not pretty for me.
Lama, question from the chat.
What they say?
Do this for free?
Bro, every single fucking day for over 380 days, we've done this for free. Think about that. 380 days completely for free.
Should we kick fire on them hoes?
I think we kick fire on these hoes. Look at ES just tanking, but NQ's holding, bro.
Kicking
My
fire.
stop at 40. I'm just gonna leave the stop at 40. Who cares? We're in profit, bro. With this, if this goes a little bit higher, I'm up 15K on the day. But if it does take me out of my low, I'm gonna be at like 14-ish.
Imagine.
And, that's a good day, and that's a good day.
Imagine watching another show.
Oh my god, a new high just
put me
got
up on the
taken.
big screen. Put me up on the big screen right now,
New high
Anarchy.
just got taken. Hold on. I'm gonna have to adjust my trail to 47. I don't want to give all this back. ES is still curling. ES is still not taking highs. NQ taking highs and not continuing on ES is a problem for me. But I am trailing now at 46. 46
Lama,
is the trail.
can you pass the chart, please?
Oh, I was about to put this on my screen. Hold up.
Boys
Bang.
banging. Boys banging.
Here, chart yours.
Yeah. Excuse me, please. Just a quick intermission for everyone.
Stops are sitting at 46.25. Look at NQ taking a high. It's 10 o'clock though. Reversal could happen. Be cautious. 46.25 is going to take me out. I'm fully out of the position. Fully out of the position.
Life like this is what your life like. Try to live the life right. People really know you push your buttons like type right. This is like a movie, but it's really very lifelike. Every single night, right? Every single fight, right? I was looking at the gram and I don't even like lights. I was screaming at my daddy, told me it ain't Christ-like. I was screaming at the referee, just like Mike. Looking for a bright light. Seagull, what your life like? Riding on a white bike, feeling like a sight fight. Pressing on the gas, supernova for a night light. Dreaming at my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. But nobody never tell you when you're being like Christ. Only ever seeing me, only when they needing me. Like if Tyler Perry made a movie for BT, searching for a deity. Now you wanna see it free, now you wanna see it free. Let you see it 3 apiece. Tell me what your life like. Turn down a bright light. Driving with my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. I'm just trying to find, I've been looking for a new way. I'm just really trying not to really do the fool way. I don't have a cool way. Right here.
Start it up.
Nothing else next though. Not another word, not a picture or a decimal. Wrestling with God, I don't really wanna wrestle. Man, it's really life like everything in my life. Arguing with my dad and he said it ain't Christ-like. Man.
Woo!
Executions and fills on the chart.
You know it's like
Needed that. Needed that. Needed that.
Got the executions and fills sitting on the fucking chart, twin.
Stretch my hands to you.
It don't get better. It don't get better than that though. Don't get better than that though.
Hold the wrong person. Everybody.
I had the stop sitting at 40. We moved it up to 47. Secured an extra 7 points because the first stop would have got taken out. Can't go wrong with that right there, my boys. Can't go wrong with there. Can't go wrong with that, my boy. Go wrong with that one, my boy. Nice little 100-pointer. Nice little 100-pointer. Scaled into it, scaled out of it. Can't complain.
Am I Jamaican? Great question. Yes. I'm Jamaican all this money. I'm making all this money. Congratulations to me one on the YouTube for Dango, stop that. Congratulations to me one on the YouTube for passing your account. Big congratulations. 11:30 or later. The boys think they could just pull out hammers at the crib while daddy's on the show. You just pull out hammers.
Yo, I built a whole workstation in the garage yesterday.
That's
Like
the
a little
whitest
bench.
that's the whitest thing you've ever said in your life, Lama.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm just say I'm on that dad shit, bro. I can't wait till fucking something breaks and I'm like, let's go to the workstation and fix it, and then go on YouTube for 4 hours and be depressed.
Do you know what this stands for? What I just said? Do you know what WNJBITGBS? Do you know what that stands for?
Yeah, I think I do actually.
Can you say it? Say it.
White niggas just be in the garage bullshitting slime.
Building shit. Yeah, building shit. Yeah.
I was close though. I was
Killed that,
close.
yeah. White people just be in the garage building shit, dog. I know that's right.
Yo, are you serious?
Yeah, that's what it stands for. You killed it.
No way.
That's a meme. That's a meme.
No way. I'm not gonna lie. I was freestyling off the top of my head. I kind of just like
killed that. Yeah.
Once I got to G, I'm like garage bullshit.
White ninjas just be in the garage building shit, dog.
Damn, that was fire. Yeah, that's so that's like, you feel me? That's the plan. You feel me? I want to start learning how to fix things because I be breaking shit.
That's good, bro. That's a good trait to have, especially as a big, like a new homeowner. You got a nice new house. Like, you want to be able to do the little shit. You don't want to be calling a handyman. Plus you're Spanish. I bet a lot of it's
Like
gonna
in my
come
genes.
natural. Yeah, I bet a lot of it's gonna come natural to you. Like, how do I change this fucking toilet? I don't know. And next thing you know, you're gonna be in there soldering copper pipes together, like it's just it's just natural.
I was learning how to solder last night. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna figure it out quicker than most. You're gonna figure it out quicker than most. I think it's really impressive.
I think you know what it is that your generation, old as, is like not your generation. Let's say like above you.
You're
like,
the same generation as me, dumbass.
I'm not, Jay. You're old as hell.
Were you born between 1990 and 1999?
Yeah.
Then you're the same fucking generation as me.
Oh, I'm not, bro. You're a boomer, twin.
We're the same fucking generation.
I don't think so, bro. I think it stops at 97.
Wait a minute. What does a generation mean? That's the same 10-year block, right?
Nah. Same 10 years. No. You a boomer, twin.
I'm not a
Look at
boomer.
This throwback. It was curling, guys. You shouldn't be giving this money back. That's 30 points.
I'm a gen and I'm a millennial.
You're a millennial, twin.
I'm a millennial.
No.
And what are you?
No. Let me I don't know, twin. Let me look this bitches up.
I know my parents smashed on 4th of July.
Generation. What do I look up? Generation fucking scale? Why did I spell generation like that? I know it's gonna correct it. Yep. What do I look up? Generations. Nah, it ain't scale, twin. What am I supposed to look up, guys? Categories?
What is Gen Z dates? Let's see. 1997 and 2012. You're 97.
I told you, bro. It stops at 97, twin.
All right. Okay. So you're
different gens. I'm a Gen 6, bro. You a Gen 3.
Okay. ChatGPT, what is better, a millennial or Gen Z? Short answer, neither is better, but they're different things.
Wait. I'm Gen Z?
You're Gen Z. That sounds.
Is that the iPad kids?
Yeah, it's worse than iPad kids. That's like the fucking. That's like we need multiple bathrooms for dogs. Yeah.
Fuck.
Millennials, we're like the ones that complained about housing prices.
Wait.
You're-
So millennials are what age to what age?
Millennials,
That's
we're
what I'm talking about.
1981 to 96. We're like the fucking our parents wore leather and shit and like rock and roll, and we're the last
Did
real
Aston.
generation of real men. Then Gen Z came along and
Exactly.
we're
Okay.
like,
So
men,
back
men
to what I
might
was
be
talking
gay.
about. Back to what I was talking about. I feel like the boomers and I don't know about millennials, still a little too young, but that was like the era of like real men. I feel like my era, these niggas don't know how to do shit. Like, bro, I told
Well, no,
coach
you're a
put up the
boomer
sign.
twin
He's like,
dad.
how do I do that? I'm like, bro, it's 4 screws, twin. Like, you just got a screw in the wall with 4 screws.
He said, put up the sign. Coach went like this. How?
He had no idea. That boy had a screwdriver, nothing else.
He seriously doesn't know how to put up a sign.
He YouTubed how to put up the sign.
I would
bro. 4
love
screws.
to get Coach Molly and see how he could put a Molly in the wall.
A what? A Molly? Like from like EDC Orlando?
Oh my god! All right, let's talk about Gen Z's bad stereotypes. Here we go. Gen Z's stereotypes: sensitive and easily offended, chronically online, the first generation to speak in memes and TikTok audio references. Lama, you're a boomer twin. I'm dead. Big shout out to the Dono YouTube Glee team. Gen Z has a short attention span, aka iPad babies, can't focus for more than 30 seconds. They're anti-work and unrealistic. They expect flexibility, purpose, and good pay immediately. And they're socially awkward. They prefer texting and DMs over going to meet someone in real life.
I'm like starter Gen Z. I'm like in the middle of like millennial.
Wait, look, I was right. Millennial bad stereotype. Adult adverse, afraid of commitment and home ownership. It's a real thing. People my age, we bitch about home prices. It's a real thing.
So exactly. So I'm like in the mix, bro. I'm not like a full committed Gen Z. I'm like a hybrid.
Burned out, but still online. Yet millennial, we're exhausted. Yet I still have time for Instagram. Serial complainers, always blaming capitalism. No, I love capitalism. That's not me. I love capitalism. Oversensitive, entitled and lazy. They want promotions without paying dues.
Caleb said we're Zillennials. That's a real thing. Zillennials. It's like a mix, bro. I'm like a hybrid. I'm like a mutt, like a mixed breed.
I think I'm not a millennial or a Gen Z. I think I'm a realist.
You're a Zillennial too, twin. You're just old.
I think I'm a realist Republican. I think that's what I am. If I had to identify myself, I'm realist, Republican, sociopath.
Look at this clean. When you see the levels, we talked about this. I think a week or two ago. When you see the levels go untested, you wait for the break, the retest. That's why I didn't want to give this much money back. This is 30-point drawdown. My entries got raised up all the way to like fucking over here. No point in giving this back. But once you see this type of rejection, look at it over here. You line them up, bang, right back up. We're very bullish on the day. We've been expecting buys for the day. Talked about this an hour ago. Zillennials are a micro generation born roughly between 93 and 98, acting as a bridge between millennials and Generation Z. From Google, he says.
You can't. You would never fit on a bridge.
Actually, you know the bridge in North Carolina in Blowing Rock where it's like fucking long as shit, bro. It's so scary, bro. I've been on that shit. It's like heavy metal, like fucking metal, and it's some scary shit, bro. I don't like bridges. I'll tell you that much. I don't like bridges.
I don't fuck with bridges either. Or you know what I don't fuck with either? You know what I really don't fuck with?
Health.
Medellin, Colombia. This fucking tunnel. You get out of the airport and you got to go through
45-minute tunnel.
This 45-minute, hour-long tunnel of the craziest, longest, scariest tunnel. I don't mess with it.
But when you get out of it, the shit's fucking beautiful.
When you get out of it, you're like, oh, Pablo!
Oh, cocaína!
Not
Yeah,
gonna lie,
no,
right when I got out
Medellin.
of the
So when
tunnel,
you guys
I was
land in
like,
Medellin, it's a
right when I yeah,
crazy ass tunnel.
right when I got out of the tunnel and saw Medellin, I was like, I get why he tried to take over the city now. I get it.
Right.
Get
Like it all makes sense.
It's
It all makes
gorgeous.
sense.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. I get it.
It's like I feel like it's like a good welcome. It is annoying though because it's like 45 minutes of a fucking tunnel, and you're like, yo, like them boys
Let me
stop at the end of this bitch. Like we're all they're taking us all down. But
was
once you
Pablo
make it through the
Escobar
tunnel, the city opens up. It's crazy.
was Pablo Escobar really that bad, like to his Colombian people? Because he
No, to
offered to
his
pay off
people, yeah. I mean, I guess, yeah, bro. He was, yeah,
if
bro.
he was
That
just
boy was, yeah,
nicer, if he was just nicer to the Colombian people and was a dickhead to everyone else, he could have like took over the world because
right.
he offered to pay
The whole
all of
national debt.
Colombia's debt, the national debt. He was like, I will pay off the national debt and we could live prosperous here in Colombia if you and like if he was just nice to his people, I think they'd have been like, yeah, that's a
He
pretty
was
good deal.
nice to his city, his little town, bro. He was giving out bread every day. But nah, he ended up tweaking out, bro. That boy bombed a plane,
Right.
twin. That boy bombed
Yeah,
the
you
whole
can't do
plane.
that. No, you can't do that. You
He was
can't
Al
do that.
Qaeda before Al Qaeda. Like them boys
Right. I
was
think if you're
late.
just good to your people and your kind, and you just choose another race to hate and genocide, then it could work for a little while, probably.
So you fuck with Hitler.
What?
What you just said. Like if you could just pick a certain race, like it's what you just said. Like so you fuck with Hitler.
I was describing Logan.
And Logan's like fucking bro. He has a picture of Hitler on his wall that every day.
You know he has no pictures on his walls. You know he has no pictures on his walls. You can't even
Zero.
joke.
They're all
You
on the
can't even
floor
joke.
still.
You can't
6
even
months
joke
in.
about a
6
photo on
months
his walls. You know he has zero paintings on his walls.
Yeah, no, we've been matter of fact. Nice.
No furniture, nothing hanging, white walls with the chairs and
That boy
Jamie,
still
have
has
you
a
been there?
He still has a blanket going over his window.
He has a blanket going over his window. He calls his blanket Blanky though.
Yeah,
It's
blanky.
really weird. He was like, when I was on the couch one day watching, he goes, "Yo, pass Blanky." He's like, "Oh, it's cold in here. Can you pass Blanky?" And I was
Yeah.
like, "Yeah." And he goes, "Thanks." Ha 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 ha. Ha. Then he said, "Should we put 5,000 on the game?" I said, "Logan, there's 3 minutes left. The team's down by 30." "Yeah, but we could win."
Right.
Ha 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 ha.
Uh-huh.
Guys, I really appreciate all of the likes on YouTube. Remember, it takes like 5 seconds for you guys to like our YouTube stream. And it's totally free and it really helps the company a lot and supports all the traders and the giant network of awesomeness that we're trying to provide to you guys for free. So if you guys could just take a quick second, there's 1,500 people or more watching in between all the streams right now. If you take a second to please like the stream, that would be huge for us and for the team. And then Izzy and Coach, their show is going live next few weeks on YouTube as well. So you guys will have Izzy and Coach, the podcast, and more. So do me a favor if you really could. It means a lot to just like the stream, totally free. Totally free. Doesn't require a thing. And we appreciate you guys for that.
I like that out of you.
Lama,
Let's give some shit out.
Max Options Trading Live is in 1 day and a wake up, dog.
Yeah, bro. I need there's a lot of things I have to do before that.
Yeah, there's like so much to do.
I need to get a haircut. I'm book an appointment.
I'm going to get my haircut today. I got my hair done yesterday. She said that my hair was going to look a lot, but my hair doesn't look nicer. I think it looks the same. So I'm not exactly sure what she even did.
Yeah, this shit looks like shit.
I said, people make fun of my hairline. She went, it's only going to get worse. So
I fucked up, bro. I'm not gonna lie, that's fucked up. Look, that's Blanky right there. How'd you get that picture of Logan?
That's
Was he cold on there?
Blanky.
Was he
That's
cold on there?
Blanky.
I think I need to get a haircut on Wednesday though. It has to be a day before. My hair grows too fast. Like if we have like the next day, Friday, Saturday, yeah, I need to go Wednesday.
You want a hug?
Wednesday, like at 12, bro. He's gonna push me to 1 probably. Yo, are we going? Are we going to the range Wednesday?
Yeah, I would love to.
At what time?
LECS with a dono on the YouTube. Which course should I buy? You sell so many. It depends on what kind of trader you want to be. Depends on what kind of trader you like. We have P2P, we have the Mastermind, and we have the CSO Battalion right now. Totally up to you. Anthony Wright with $1.99. Just a thumbs up. Okay. Thank you. We appreciate that a lot. Thank you guys. All the donations go to the staff. We don't care if you guys buy a course or not, to be honest. We literally don't care if you buy the courses or not. If you want to learn the Max Way, there's the Mastermind. If you want to learn P2P and pay to play, the way different style. He held a 100-pointer today. I scalp. Logan has probably one of the top breakout systems. So it's up to you guys. Up to you guys. We don't care if you buy the course or not, to be honest. All we care about is you donate to the staff and straight. Mia, what's wrong? You gonna let her out? Come on, what's wrong?
I'm along this 26-100. If it breaks this 70, I have it going all the way to 170. So it can go another 100 points if it breaks this. This is how I would have it going. But this is a very strong. These red fibs we marked in the pre-market. This is based off a super higher time frame, and look how perfect it played out today. Bottom to the top. I actually, funny enough, when we tap this 36, when this candle printed, I jumped in a long with a 5-point SL. It took me out, and then it started to curl, and then we just jumped right back in. But I was about to bottom tick this shit, and it instead of 5 points, it went down 10. I had no SL, I would have been fucking bottom tick for the day.
I will tell you guys right now, that reversal was super easy to see. I will tell you guys right now, that reversal was super clean to see.
Bro,
I would have liked to see it actually happen quicker. If it was a 2 candles.
Yeah, this stall out is what
Yeah.
got us out of positions, because
Yeah.
I jumped in 3 minis down here, and then I took 2 out
Same.
over here, and then I scaled in over here. So if this didn't happen, I hold 3 the whole way through. I probably partial out at the top and then go.
Hit
I'm gonna
a
fuck my
24-hour
position
hitter. Thank you for the $1.99 dono. And he said, just bought the first funded 50K Lucid with code BDM. I appreciate you and your support
Nice.
using code
Lucid's
BDM.
fire.
I think it makes people mad when they complain that you're not going to sell courses because of your attitudes and the way you guys act, and then you tell them you really don't care if you buy it or not. Yeah, we really don't care if you buy the courses or not. If you want to be a student and be profitable, we have systems that work, proven. But we're not out here pushing. It's not like I'm out here on my social media. If you guys look at pages, you've never seen me post a story about the Mastermind. Never. You've never seen me post one story or Lama post one story about his course. You just don't see it. We're not out here.
Sure.
We're really not out here pushing course sales like that. We're out here pushing entertainment. Everything's free. Everything's free.
Success, honestly. Just success.
We're just trying to
Honestly.
make everyone have fun, entertainment, and fucking give back to the people for free, baby. That's what we're trying. If you guys follow me, I've been following for years. I've never seen one mention of the course, and you never will. You never will, because that's not what BDM is all about, twin. BDM is about giving back $500,000 fucking dollars to the community. Let's start giving away some accounts. Let's start giving away some Tradify accounts.
Oh, Tradify? Fuck. How do I get one?
Tradify, one of the best prop in the game.
What did I just do?
This guy on YouTube didn't even know I had a course. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
I am on a fucking tanker. Huh.
I will tell you this. I'm going to give away a free account, player.
I am fucking tanked, twin. What time was this at? 6 a.m. This bitch shorted the top 500 points.
Random number generator going. And number, oof,
6 a.m. The fuck? Yo,
600.
gold's in a chop. Ew. Gold looks nasty here. Gold looks nasty. Goals are playing out though. It's clean. What are y'all talking about? Silver? Look at silver.
40, 600.
Perfect 76 tap on silver. I'm surprised this didn't fire off along here. Should have fired off. Very clean. Very clean. Charts are moving nice today, to be honest. Finally, we've been dealing with a lot of chop and then explosion. Past couple, like all of last
Felly.
week was chop and then explosion.
Felly 2029. Felly 2029. Come on up to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Felly 2029. You have been randomly selected. You've been randomly selected. Come on up to the
Water. Oh, I feel like this is what you know. Bucky. Here it is. You are, young lady. Here you are, young lady.
Felly. Last chance, Felly, to come on up, or we're gonna have to pull up another random contestant.
Ah, gold.
We'll pull up another random contestant, Llama.
For the random, you run a
Yeah.
random number generator.
See.
Random number generator.
Felly.
1035.
Let's get it.
Generate 781. I'm gonna be honest with you, Max. I'm not counting.
Hey, how you
I'm
doing?
not a reroll.
Y'all the only ones that keep it real. Love from the 215. We appreciate you, Ralph. Thank you so much for the dono. That shit
Where the
goes
fuck is the
straight to
215
the
at? Where even is that?
I don't know, actually. Let's see. 215 area code. That is Philly.
Oh,
Philly.
shit.
The immediate suburbs in Bucks and Montgomery County. Shout out from Philly, John. Philly.
What up?
What's going on? What?
Mm.
You Dominican Bobby?
Gotta be.
Puerto Rican, bro.
Puerto
Puerto
Rican.
Rican.
That boy said Puerto Rican.
Wait, are you living in Puerto
Puertorriqueño.
Rico?
Ah, cabrón.
Where you from?
Dímelo, cabrón. Fajardo. East
Ah,
Coast.
Fajardo. Fajardo. Ah.
You hey,
Yeah,
you fuck
yeah.
with bioluminescence?
A little bit, yeah.
Bioluminescence, huh?
See you
He
guys in
said
a
I
couple
fuck a
days.
My
little bit.
hometown, bro.
Thank you for your
That's
continued
where it is,
generosity
right?
to the group, and thank you for a
Yeah,
free
it is.
event.
It is.
Love,
Actually
love.
dying, actually, but that's nature,
I
you
fuck,
know.
I fuck with bioluminescence.
You've been here then, right?
Yeah, I'm Puerto Rican. My Puerto Rican.
Oh no shit. I didn't know that.
Yeah. Dan, my
What
brother
part?
Baldwin. Where's their family from, Dan? Oh, San Juan.
Oh, San Juan. Nice, nice.
Oh, San Juan.
And what?
Oh, very good.
Arecibo? Arecibo.
Arecibo. Damn, that's far.
Yeah. I
And
mean, it's
that's
not
the other
that
side.
far. It's not that far.
Well, it's not like you guys.
I feel like everything in Puerto
You can
Rico is
rent the
not
house,
that
so.
far.
Yeah, everything's
For
kind of
us,
right
you
there.
know? Yeah, it is.
Big- Brian with the $5 dono. See you guys in a couple days. Thank you for your continued generosity to the group, and thank you for the free event. We love MOT. Big shout out, Brian. We'll see you in 2 days at MOT Live, baby. Okay, well, talk to me, Puerto. How's your trading?
It's been on a stall, you know. I burned in a lot of accounts in Topstead, and I started my Tradify. I got it funded like last week with Lama. One of the trades with Lama, we made it funded, and yeah, I have trying to get something today. At least
Good
300
shit.
up.
Good
Yeah.
shit.
Nice. Good shit,
Okay.
twin.
Good shit, twin.
Yeah.
That's good. You keep grinding, keep doing your shit, bro. You gotta take it slow. I mean, and you switch it to Tradify. Genius idea.
Yeah, that was the best move I've done. But I want to try something new. I don't know. Any recommendations? Or
Everything
stay with
on the list that we have is good work.
good work?
They all have like their own little special. All
I
of
know
them.
that's right. I know that's
They all
right.
have their own little. So you go through it. We even explain it, and then you pick what you want, bro. They're all good. They're all
I'm
good.
looking
They're all
to get
secure.
my
They all
first
pay.
payout, so I'm trying to get that first payout. So
What are you gonna do with your first payout?
I don't know, bro. I got a lot of debt, bro.
Fuck.
You got
I
a lot
gotta
of
pay
debt,
stuff. Yeah,
Poppy.
credit
What kind
card,
of debt you got?
school. Yeah.
What kind of debt you
What
got?
should I
You got
do?
good debt or you
Blow
got
it
bad
up,
debt?
everything? No, I should get something like something to get how you call it, like estudios, como que aprender más de lo que estoy haciendo, como que learn
Aprende
from.
más de lo que estás haciendo, cabrón. La bebicho. Bueno.
Mamacho.
Yeah. No. Yeah. No, I mean, that makes sense. Obviously, reinvesting in your education is always a very good answer. What I tell people, first payout, let it sit for a little bit. Don't instantly spend it, because once you spend it, now you come back to trading thinking you need to make back what it is you lost. And the make back game always turns into spending more. Like
Damn.
when I had bought the house and I was remodeling and I had like expensive weeks, I came to the charts thinking like I gotta make back these 50 bands I just blew. And then I end up losing 5 to 10 bands, and I'm like, damn, now I'm down 60. Like trying to chase money. I always tell people, do not chase money. So if you can get your payout and like spend it wisely and like think it's like the money's, it's okay that it's spent and not come back like I need to make that back, then you'll be fine. Investing in your education is a good idea. Buying more prop accounts is a good idea. Paying off your debt is also a good idea. But I would take it slow because you want to generate more payouts, not just be a one hit wonder where you pull the payout and then lose the account, and then now your psychology is ruined, and then it's harder to get back to that level. I would take a payout, let it sit for a bit, stay consistent, take out another one, and now you can spend the first one.
Hold on. Do you know what the fuck he's saying?
I understand what he's saying.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
my bad.
He speak English, bro. They speak English in Puerto Rico.
They speak Spanglish. I know, but I'm just wanted
No,
to
they
double
speak
check.
English.
He was looking very clear faced.
Nah, he
I
understands.
was
He understands.
concentrated. That's my resting face, you know.
Right. My bad. I just want because if I know speaky and he said all that, I'd be like, what the fuck is this guy talking about?
What the hell?
What the hell?
What the hell?
Well, listen, bro, Tradeify. Listen, there's a reason you should Tradeify, and it started working because sometimes you got different rules, better plan, better prop that fits your trading style. And Tradeify is one of those people that they got it all.
And Lama, your
Daily payouts,
7.5K
all that
is
good shit.
expensive, but
And
how do you use your fibs
we'll
differently?
support you, bro. And we're gonna throw you another 50K trade account right now to keep the grind going. Keep the grind going. And I'll tell you what, if you get funded and you get a payout, I'll give you another one for free, a double up program. We'll give you a double up program to support you, bro. And remember, 2026, no more over trading, no more oversizing. It's not a fucking race. Slow your roll. Slow your roll. How you say cowboy in Spanish?
Vaquero.
Slow your roll, vaquero.
No, we'll make it going. We'll keep it going.
Good shit, bro. And you deserve it. You do. So
Thank you,
we appreciate your support. We got another dono.
Thanks.
Ski 7.5K for Lama. That's his mentorship. His course is only 1250. And how he uses his fibs differently is secret sauce. And I'll tell you this right now. I've traded with every fib trader in the world. Lama has the most accurate fibs in the game. Absolutely in the game. So check that shit out. Felly, open a support ticket. Congratulations on the win, my friend. For us in the chat before we let you go.
Thank you. Appreciate you guys.
Appreciate you too, my bro. Good shit, bro. Keep it up.
Rumor on the street right now is code is 90% off Apex. Code BDM is 90% off Apex sale. I think
you get on
that's
the
for
Apex
the event.
again.
I think that's for the event. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Guapuria se le yunque.
I don't know why every time you talk Spanish, that shit is just funny.
because I try and sound like the entrance to the Sawgrass Springs Mall. Aquapurios and el Yunque White Seahorse entrance.
Oh my god, bro. Not gonna lie. I get
You're not
convinced
from
sometimes.
you're not from
You're an
South
idiot.
Florida if you don't know the Spanish entrance to the Sawgrass Springs Mall where they said White Seahorse. What's that code? Code BDM, twin. Code BDM. Code BDM. Another thing I heard
90% off always calls for loading 20 accounts. Always. Bro.
every time.
Fuck. I have to just YOLO that bit and just buy them 20 of them.
I don't know, bro. I don't know what these firms are doing. A lot of these firms are getting crazy. But I'll tell you this, you know, I know there's some turmoil in a lot of firms and but I'll tell you this, Tradeify guys, as solid as they fucking come. Rarely anyone says anything bad about Tradeify. And I'll tell you this, they are one of the best in the game for a reason. And a lot of these other firms that are changing plans every 5 minutes, retroactive rules every 5 minutes, stopping you guys from trading every 5 minutes. Don't fuck with none of them, bro. Don't fuck with none of them.
On Apex, you do 50K or 150. I was doing the
Whatever
150s
you
a lot,
want.
but the 50s are so easy to pass. You get a 50 and you can pass that shit so easy. The 150s is like the same. I mean, they're passable. They're 9 bands is 9 bands. With trailing, it's a little bit more difficult. 50s are like kind of cake. It's the best distance to drawdown ratio. Yeah.
Dominican Bobby.
What is
Tradeify
Apex so
literally
hard to get a
changes
payoff?
plans weekly. Name me the last 3 weeks Tradeify changed their plans then. Thrawn Shop.
You're not gonna be able to
Name
do
the
that.
last 3 weekly changes they made.
You're not gonna be able to do that, man.
You just be saying shit to say shit. Stop just saying shit to say shit. You sound dumb. He sounds dumb. What people just be talking to talk. Don't type unless you got something behind it, twin. You pissing me off. You get me real tight right now.
I know business right now, man.
I'm about to let one rip. I'm about to say it with a hard R. I'm going to say it with a hard R right now. You ready? Here we go. This is how mad I am. You ready? I'm going to say it with a hard R right now. Rory! Rory!
Package is off for delivery. I have a problem, bro. I can't stop buying shit,
Not gonna
bro.
lie, my throat hurts a little bit right now.
I'm gonna keep it real with you, twin. Can't stop buying shit, bro.
What are you buying now?
Bro, I don't know, bro. So much shit. So I just be looking, bro. I have 4 items pulling up today. It's not even on Amazon. This is just other bullshit that's off Amazon. Be tripping, bro. That has be tripping, homie.
We got
Who says
another
it more off
dono.
stream? Max or you? Max, bro. You guys would be surprised.
600 played that long with y'all. Rory! What did you say? What are they gonna be surprised about?
Nah, nothing.
What'd you just say? What'd you say?
This guy says, who says it more off stream? Max or you?
I don't say it. I don't say it. Probably
I
Logan.
bet you they believe that though.
Probably Logan.
Are you buying Jake Paul's Pokemon packs? Fuck no.
Bro, you should drop a JP pack on stream and make a video for it. That shit will go.
Bro, the packs that he's selling are like fucking. I don't even know. I don't even know what he's selling, but I know they're gonna be minimum 25 bands per
Bro,
pack.
you're rich. You're rich.
Yeah, but I have a baby on the way. I can't drop 25 bands on Pokemon cards. Again. You feel what I'm saying? Like,
I don't want to
okay,
wait
good. Did it
for
once
my
already.
heart to be over.
Doing any pulls today? Fuck no. I'm not pulling cards anymore. I'm still waiting, bro. I have 65 cards coming back from PSA. I'm still waiting on that shit. It's been 2 months already. Matter of fact, today makes 2 months. It was on the 27th of November. Let me check my order because them boys is trolling me. I sent 65 cards and I sent fucking bangers. Like, I'm talking about if these shits come back looking good. Yep, nah, twin. If not, we're back in the trenches. Back to hitting a local high school and asking them boys if you want a little. Do
Hit me when, but
you have a bubble mute? No, I don't. Did you pull some Zards? No, I didn't. Spent 3 bands on Phantasmal Flame, got nothing. Umbreon came back Monday and got a 10. Bro, I got a 9 on my Umbreon. He trolled me. I'm not even in the grading process yet. Look at this, Max. Look at all these steps. Order created, shipped to PSA, PSA received, arrived, processing, research and ID. Then it goes to grading, assembly, QA, graded, ready for pickup and pickup. I'm still all the way at research and ID. They're not even grading yet. It's been 2 months.
2 months, dude?
2 months.
Do you think it takes so long to get like a real grade now because of how many people are doing it? Like they probably have so many cards.
No, they have thousands of cards. They literally had announced that they're like extending times. You want to do convention pickup drop offs as faster than mailing for PSA? That's not true. I did that already.
What makes them qualified to even grade cards? Like, why can't I grade a card? Why can't I look at it under a
Because
microscope?
you're not qualified.
Right, but I can look
There's
at it
other
under
companies more than PSA. There's more companies. You know they're going under for the scams. Yeah, I seen that.
I don't know about that, bro. I think they'd be scamming, bro. Like, how can you trust a regular random person? Be like if I was in a bad mood, everyone's getting 9s.
That's what I think. Bro, you want to see, bro? I got a batch back, only 9s, 10 cards, straight 9s. I'm like, bro, this guy must have not got no poontang in the past couple of days. What's going on with that? Cooked my ass.
Yep, thanks.
I got 2 10s on dog shit that I didn't even remember sending. Tagor CGC is way better. I hate PSA. Try them out. The thing is, PSA costs more. Like the card's gonna sell for more if it's a PSA 10. CGC and tags are people give them out for free. I have CGC 10 sitting in my closet. I don't even fucking look at them shits.
But are you you're not making money from Pokemon?
Hell, I'm making money. I haven't made a fucking dollar on Pokemon.
But you started off so hot. No. You started off hot and you were throwing
Never sold anything. You don't make money if you don't sell. I have shit sitting.
Okay, but so if you sold all of your cards now, would you be net green?
I don't know. I have to wait for what comes back from PSA. Remember, I bought like 5K worth of cards to grade. So those were 5K raw. If any of them come back a 10, like if let's say 5 out of the 60 come back a 10, they're like a band each. I make all my bread back, and the other 60 is like would be profit. You get what I'm saying?
Right.
But other than that, twin, I'm down. Twin, I haven't sold. The thing is, I'm not a seller. You know what my problem is with everything? I'm not a seller, bro. Like when I was selling clothes, I was fucking holding everything. Fucking 40 pairs of shoes, fucking all types of shit. Never sold a fucking thing. I don't sell shit. My problem.
What else did you used to sell? Yep, that's what I expected. All right, so what I'm thinking is we do a
Yeah, I haven't partialed out yet. You're right. I haven't partialed out yet. I you know, we're sitting on fucking a lot of Pokemon, but I haven't taken a partial. I'm just sitting.
I've been thinking about
have like
selling my
7 bands
hair.
worth of product too, like just sealed shit.
I've been thinking about selling my hair.
Not mine.
Like my hair. I bet if I get 1 million followers on Instagram this year, I bet I could sell my hair.
Not mine.
Probably 10 bands.
How much did it cost to send them to grade, bro? It's $25 per card, bro. I spent like $1,200 or some bullshit like that. It's fucking crazy. I'm down, twin. I'm down bad.
What do you mean by forehead
just
hair?
grade.
What do you mean by that?
You gotta pay to grade each card $25.
I mean, let's get another random person up here. You guys are getting me tight right now. Let's get another random winner up here. We're gonna give away another tray to 5. 60.
Somebody said nobody wants your greasy ass hair. It hasn't hit your 786. Yeah, I'm looking at the chart, buddy. I know that one. Just did a consolation and it went well. Also a good mood because I'm up 1K on the day using micros. Wow. What a great day. What the fuck is a consultation?
Manny. I got the coach pay to play painting. No, you don't. No, you don't. Stop it. Stop it. $5 dono from Eric Bruce on YouTube says, Max, shave the head, sell your hair. What? Manny.
What up?
Welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show. How are you? My hair's long as fuck.
I am doing great. How are you guys?
Very
You got a
good.
camera?
You got a camera?
I do. Give me a second.
Manny, what's going
What's up,
on?
guys? Not much. How are you?
We're good, bro. We've chatted with you before.
I don't think so. This is my first time on the show, actually.
You Mexican?
Look so familiar, though.
I am.
No, we chatted
We got
with you
so many
before.
Mexicans from. You from
A
Cali
lot
or
of
what?
people. A lot of people are telling me I look familiar to someone. I just have that kind of face, you know.
Is your name Jose?
My name's Emmanuel, but my dad's name's Jose, though.
Yeah, checks out.
And you're from
Checks
Texas?
No, I'm in Arizona, but I'm from originally from Cali.
Well, no shit, Sherlock.
Well, fucking, you're originally from fucking Mexico, Guadalajara.
Yeah. Mexicali, actually, to be
Hell yeah.
completely honest.
Good shit, bro. Good shit. Another dono from Tashar. Booked the highest profit today, closed with 1468. First 468 in sell, then booked 901 in buys. It's always a great experience trading with you guys. Closing for today. This is a $5.46 dono. Love you guys. We love you, Tashar. This guy donates part of his profit every single day. Dude's a legend. Even though it's
Look at the Sean. That's the Black and East guy. He said, made it to 5 green days on the Lucid account you blessed me with. I'll be able to request my first payout. Appreciate y'all. If we gave you that account, you're on the double up program.
Open a support ticket, Deshaun. If that is real and I gave you that account and you pull that payout today, I'm gonna throw you another Lucid account right now, twin. You're
Yes,
a double up. You're a double up winner. Open a support ticket. Is Deshaun that cute ass black guy with the green eyes?
No, he was the Black and East one. He was like very calm and monotone. He was like,
right. Manny, talk to us, baby. What's going on with your trading?
You know what? Ever since I joined Logan's Battalion, I've been doing a lot better. I've passed some evals, but I always end up blowing them within the first week. I think I just try to race to get that buffer in, and I end up blowing the accounts. So I'm taking my time, taking base hits, and just moving forward. And I've been doing a lot better now.
Logan taught you more about base hits and consistency?
That's correct.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Again, another one. Okay. I'm going to say something.
When you joined the battalion, did your pee start to burn?
Not yet.
Nice. It usually takes a while to settle in.
That's so good. I'm so glad that Logan was able to teach you that. What else did he teach you?
He taught me some sauce on ATMs and things like that, but mostly just being patient and taking base hits, and don't try to rush the process.
Right. Don't rush the process. Take base hits. Right. That is
interesting.
It's all. I'm actually shocked that Logan is so patient with his trading and everything.
Where he got that from? How did he learn that?
Base hits. He invented that. He invented that. Maybe he got it from, I don't know, maybe from his military service.
Could be from the Marine. He's a Marine.
Right. Could be from the Marine. I just thought, look, Lama, and just hear me out, Manny. Manny, were you ever in the military?
I was not, no.
I just thought after you teach a guy a skill and pull him out of the Middle East and save his life and make him rich and give him everything, that you'd get a little respect with the system that you taught, just a little bit. I just thought a little bit of respect would come, but now that you're the third person in 2 weeks saying that Logan saved your trading by teaching base hits and consistency, I'm
As he's
really
a Mastermind student.
as he's a,
Proceed. And like
and a
as
hobby,
he's a
and a
Mastermind
hobby, and a
student
hobby, and a hobby.
and a hobby student.
I just
Yeah.
thought after all of that, I just considered that some credit, may have been thrown that way. But I guess Logan really developed such a good system. Just really
Yeah, I don't know how he
Oh,
came
remember
up with
Logan
it, to be
trades
honest.
micros.
Oh, you're
Logan
right.
trades
I also
he's the
forgot
guy.
Logan teaches sizing down.
He's the
and
guy.
micros.
He's the one that trades the smallest out of all of them. We all trade too heavy.
Wow. I mean, that's really good. That's really good. Dan, go ahead and cut Logan's pay.
You're gonna make me get thrown out of the class, man.
No,
No, don't worry. He's
obviously
thrown out. You can stay. He's thrown out.
Obviously,
Logan's
this is
thrown out. You can
yeah,
stay.
you're the new teacher. You're the new teacher.
Yeah.
It's now the Manny Battalion. You guys are gonna have an unlimited amount of lawn supplies. Nah, I'm just kidding. Where am I? No, that's great though. I don't care who you learned it from. I'm just fucking around. Obviously, we're gonna take our shots at Logan, part of the thing here. But I don't care about who you learned it from or who you give credit to. We're just fucking around. As long as you learned it, as long as someone said something that resonated with you to the point where you're like, what? No, I get it now. I understand the system and it's working. And base hits and consistency over size is how it always will work. And I think I have to show this again. You know what? I'm going to show it again. Show it every day because people just need to see it. All the naysayers, haters. Hold on. Here we go. It's coming your way, Manny. This is my journal right here. This is my equity curve right here. This is all cash accounts right here, just so you can see. Yet again, Big Daddy Max base hits 173, 1244, 269, $254, 845, 290 yesterday. Today I hit 390, and so I'm up currently over $3,400 cash across my 5 accounts. That's over $17,000 I can withdraw cash right now from cash accounts. 7 trading days, Manny. 7 trading days. Those aren't sexy numbers. I'm not showing anything crazy here. Those are not like the sexy, gonna sell my course numbers. That is just consistent base hits using leverage. And that's what everyone here is capable of doing once they get it through their thick fucking skulls, that you don't need to be sexy and all this shit for the internet. You just need to be consistent, baby. The Max way.
Yeah, honestly, the biggest blunder for me starting out when I first joined you was seeing all the accounts, hitting $1,000, $2,000 days, and then me trying to rush to try to get to those same numbers. But honestly, now that I size down and I just try to go for $100, $200, $300 a day, it is a lot easier to control your psyche and just not overtrade.
100%. 100%. I'm glad you figured it out. It's working. You passed an account. You got good shit going. Obviously, we're going to support you. You're a Mastermind student. You're a Logan student. You're a hobby student. You invest in your education. We want you to reap the rewards. And I'm going to throw you a 50K Tradeify select account so you could freaking
Awesome, man.
keep grinding, baby. Just keep grinding.
Appreciate it, man.
Remember,
Thank you.
one and
Appreciate that.
done. One and done. Keep going to the next day, baby.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hell yeah. We appreciate you, Manny. Open a support ticket. You got anything you'd like to say to anyone in the chat? Let you go.
Lama's gay as fuck. That's all I gotta say.
Respectable. Let's get Ice up here. Get Ice up here real quick.
I didn't think he was gonna hit it. I don't think he was gonna hit it. But it was great.
Respect,
But I
loved
loved it. I loved everything.
Gotta respect those, hardworking man like that. Gotta respect those sometimes.
Are the sessions closed once they start? I have a massive client meeting on Friday, and we'll be stepping into the power hour a little late. We are not going to be allowed people. Obviously, you can leave and go to the bathroom, but If we are not going to allow people just freely moving in the rooms, live events started. Max Options Trading Live, guys, we're going to be locked the fuck down. We're going to have the greatest weekend ever. It is so exciting, so much fun. We are going to bring the heat, baby. We are going to bring the heat. I'd cancel that meeting. You don't want to miss the power hour. You don't want to miss the power hour.
I just cancel the whole. Just quit while you just quit.
Yeah,
while
honestly,
fuck,
quit your job. You're a profitable
fucking
trader.
quit your job, bro.
Great job. Here's what I'm thinking, guys. 300 likes on the YouTube already. So much. I think if we could get to 500 likes on the, I think we do a YouTube only. I think I give away 150 select account, 150K select account from Tradeify.
How many likes are we at?
You guys
That's
like that
good.
on the YouTube? You guys fuck with that on YouTube? YouTube, you get down with that? YouTubers, if we get to 500 likes, I'm going to give you guys 150K select.
200 likes away.
Not even 170 away.
I'll slap 3 indicators on there if we get to 500.
500 likes,
giveaways.
and we will do a massive giveaway, 3 P2P indicators, and 150K select account. Javi, don't even show them your charts, dog. Wait till your presentation at MOT Live. I went over Javi's presentation last night on MOT Live. He's about to shit some knowledge on you guys. Real quantum knowledge.
Everything out the hole.
Bro, it's
pure hole work, huh?
I was passed out just now. We don't even have 500 people watching. There we go. 100 more likes. 100 more likes, guys. And we're going to give away a Tradeify 150K select to the YouTube, guys. Tradeify, the #1 prop in the game. #1. Daily payouts, blue pill, red pill, straight to funded, best dashboard, best journal, 150K account right now. About to give away a massive K select. Make sure you guys lock in with them, baby. Let's do it. We're closing in. 63 likes away. 63 day traders cheeks for 3 indicators. Wow. Wow, that is very interesting. I love that. Oh, my rental, my Rolls Royce is on the way back. It's a rental.
You got to rent for the weekend?
I got to rent it for the show. Yeah, I'm renting it back for the weekend for the show, so I could show people that I rent Rolls Royce. I'm actually, bro. Nobody says I have a like that.
Because you don't post it. You don't post it enough for people to say anything.
That's not fair. How come
I
nobody
told you the
says my
recipe
car?
and you fucking just didn't listen to it.
Nobody says my car's not rented.
Nobody sees the car. What do you mean?
Just in my driveway. What am I going to take? Just take pictures?
No, you never posted the car, bro. You posted a story. That shit doesn't even matter.
No, I never sold the Cybertruck. I have the Cybertruck. I have the SEMA monster truck, and I have the Rolls Royce. I love my Cybertruck. I'll never sell my Cybertruck. Best daily car ever. If I recommend a Cybertruck to everybody, especially if you have a kid, oh my God, it is the best truck and car for a parent. It is the best. I love it. 30 likes away from giving out 150K select, baby. That's it. You guys are only 35 likes away, baby. It's a YouTube only giveaway, chat. Make sure you guys just tap into the YouTube stream. It takes all. Tap that button, press like, and we're going to start dropping some free stuff for you guys on YouTube. Absolutely.
Fuck it. Let's get one out early. Drop an indicator early. They already crossed 450. I like that.
We're at 477. It's moving good. It's moving
Let's get
really
one out
good.
early. Max, you pick a code word.
490, baby. Let's get a code word. Code word for indicators. LAMA coming out now. 30 seconds. Free indicator on YouTube. Code word Lama. Type it once. Only type it once. Only type it once, please.
Let's have one, please. You type more than once, guys, the bot automatically disqualifies you. It's not us, not in our control, guys. Just make sure to type it once.
Yep.
And if you've typed it, then you're in.
20 more seconds and 10 more likes away. Guys, we're only 10 likes away. Come on, get us to 500. Get us to 500. I was thinking about shaving my face for the event, Lama. Clean shaven.
You want to know something crazy? I've never shaved off my beard. I've never put like a razor to my
When
face.
did you first grow a beard? When you were like 7 or 8?
16. 15, 16. I had a beard already.
You grew a beard at 15 years old?
It was a chin strap at 15. It was like this. And then eventually the cheeks started to grow.
I have skin shaved 3 times since I've been out of the military in 28.
I've never done it.
I immediately regretted it every single time.
I don't even know what I would look like. Matter of fact, I do know what I would look like. I look like my uncle and he had no beard.
Oof. Oof. All right, here we go, baby. The winner for the first indicator giveaway is Texas Welder 71. Texas Welder 71. Congratulations.
How fast did I run my 40-yard dash? 4.2.
500.
Ran a 4.2. The fuck you laughing at?
40.2?
And there goes Logan's bitch ass. No, 4.2.
4.2 what?
Seconds.
For what?
Minutes. Minutes. With your stupid ass.
Congratulations.
4.2 minutes with your dumb ass.
How's Tradeify? Bro, Tradeify is fire. Tradeify is literally goated.
Someone said basketball seconds. I ran a 4.2 in playoff basketball seconds.
All right. Here's the
championship
deal.
game, 4.2 seconds on the clock.
We're going to drop a second indicator code right now. It's going to be Lama Fat. LAMAFAT. Lama Fat.
What?
Second indicator drop right now. Llama Fat. All
I hope I
capital
win
letters.
this shit now.
One word.
I hope I win this shit now. Llama Fat. I'll tell you one thing, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I won't be surprised if by the event I'm down like another 5 pounds within the next 2 days.
I think I'm gonna be up another. Probably like.
No, you probably will. You know what's funny is that you said for the event, I don't want to be fatter than fucking killed you. You're cooked. You're cooked. You're fucking cooked. You're gonna look like a big ass bowl of linguine.
What?
Like some fresh lactas. Like a lock. Who lost more weight before the show, but Max went up to 25 pounds.
Yeah.
Max went up like
Llama's
50 pounds.
probably down 30 pounds getting ready for the show. I'm probably up 25. I have been eating nonstop, and just literally nonstop. Yesterday, I forgot because I've been busy. I did not eat in the last 24 hours. All I had was 6 coffee with creamer. So that's kind of like my intake. Yes, I do stress eat. I stress eat like a motherfucker. I stress eat crazy. But when you stress eat, I don't eat healthy. I binge eat one massive meal and pain. That's the stress. And then I don't feel stress. Pain. Well-deserved pain.
Yep.
The winner of the indicator number 2 is Andrea Lopez UE. Andrea Lopez. Congratulations. You have won the second indicator. And then let's drop the third indicator right now. Get ready, guys, on YouTube. I'm going to drop the next code right now on YouTube. And the code word is for the third P2 indicator.
How do you enter the giveaways? You drop a
P2P.
like and comment on the YouTube chat.
P2P. Let me see that P2P. Let me see that P2P.
To join the giveaways, you have to go to the YouTube and type P2P right now, and you have a chance to participate in a free giveaway. We've already given away, I think, this is the third indicator. Next is a 150K account. If you do want to win a free 150K account or indicator, go to the YouTube chat, drop a like, and type in the chat.
Yep,
and then
we
say,
are we are
and that'll give
about
you
to
better odds.
drop a 150K selected guys on the YouTube. Get ready. We got 20 more seconds. Next winner, use code P2P at YouTube. P2P. P2P. Then we're gonna dump the big one. We're gonna dump the big one.
We're already at 540 likes. If we get to 600, I'll drop another indicator.
Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The winner is Troubled Trader.
What the fuck?
Troubled Trader 6298. Congratulations.
That boy Mac, you remember Mac 5? He said, bro, I had a dream last night I was pregnant. What the fuck? What the fuck does that mean? I thought he was timed out. Is he back?
That's a dude.
Like, that's what he says his first day back?
He
I
just
thought I
got
was pregnant, bro. What?
I chat GPT'd it. It means new beginning. That's crazy work.
Yeah, you're finally not timed out in the cord, bro. That's
Trouble
what that
Trader,
means.
congratulations. YouTube, get ready. We are going to drop 150K Tradeify on your ass. And the code word is Brett. Code word for 150K Tradeify is Brett, B-R-E-T-T. That is the CEO of Tradeify. His name's Brett.
That is the CEO.
CEO of Tradeify.
of
His name's Brett Simba, and he's super skinny. He looks like he's from New Jersey.
Jersey.
He's probably like 6'2", very 6'1".
Is a tall little lanky motherfucker. Yep.
He's very tall, very string beanie, lanky. One of the nicest people you'll ever meet in your entire
You think he
life.
does the gym tan laundry?
No, I think he doesn't do any of that.
Right. Now that I'm thinking about it, he not tan. He not swole.
He's not tan.
He's
not
too rich to do
muscular.
his own laundry.
He's rich to do his own laundry. I think he like sports gamble family. Maybe that's that's probably the vibe.
That's the thing. He does look like he plays video games. I'm not going.
Oh no, he taught me how to play League of Legends. That's why I call him coaches, because he taught me how to play League of Legends. He's good at gaming too. Not as good as me anymore. Definitely not as good as me. I'm not gonna lie. Tradeify signed Izzy out of Sonya, and next time they got an event, if Izzy's going, I'm going.
This guy said my landlord is selling the house that I'm in.
That sucks.
Nice.
Oh,
Nice,
that sucks, twin. That's
Good
not
shit.
that's not good, dog. Damn, that sucks. I mean, what are you gonna do then? Like, where are you gonna move? Ladies and gentlemen, the winner. Here we go. Let's give you guys another 30 seconds, and we are gonna pick a winner for 150K select account from Tradeify. Get ready, guys. Get ready. Get ready. And the winner is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. FTS 0401. That's some random ass shit. FTS 0401. Congratulations, you're a big winner today. 150K select Tradeify account from Tradeify, guys. Today's sponsor. Huge day. Congratulations, FTS 0401. It's a huge congratulations. Winners today, guys. We do this shit every day. We love giving back to the community. It's part of what we do. We appreciate all you guys. I'll whoop your ass in League of Legends, dude. I will whoop your ass in. Seriously. Don't even come at me like I will dominate in some TFT. $2 for Daniel. Daniel with the $2 dono, screaming, Rory! Love that. Love that. Great job, everyone.
You should invite her to the event, bro.
Rory! We just like bring Rory out on stage, fucking barefoot.
Barefoot.
Oh man, what a show. Lama, great job today, Bubba. You killed it. Great job.
I gotta go
today.
take a shower and go to sleep, bro. I'm exhausted.
Holding that long for 100 fucking is. I was a Teemo main, bitch. Don't come at me like that. I was
long timey
main. Teemo jungle, top lane. But no, I was actually, when I played League in the actual game, not TFT, I was in a Mumu jungle main, a Mumu jungle, and I was disgusting. Nope, I was in a jungle main, and your boy, and I was nasty with the R. I didn't miss with the R. I'll be faking bitches out. What? Bandage. What? Bandage. Double stun. Great job, everyone. $5 from David Souden. Love you long time. And now it's usually for Dan. I don't. He really. Dave's got a thing for my brother. I'm noticing a pattern here. Great job, guys. Huge show today. Huge dubs on Tuesday. And remember, nothing we do is financial advice. We're not financial advisor. We're filming the Big Daddy Morning Show for entertainment purposes only, the #1 trading show in the game, where we've currently given away $27,844 in giveaways, 18 wins, all shown live, all posted live. I post my charts and shit every single day. $199 from Jay the Creator on YouTube. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. That goes all to the staff. And I'm going to be on, because of you guys' generosity, we just had the largest tip month ever for the staff. So that was amazing. You guys have absolutely killed it. We just gave out the largest tip ever to the staff, all the moderators. So huge W's for you guys. Huge thank you for giving back to the staff. They work completely for free, and they're about to get their largest paycheck ever from you guys for splitting the tips. So we love you guys. Thank you so much. If you guys want to learn how to trade like Big Daddy Llama and Pay to Play University and get exclusive pre-market access to the pre-market group, where you can get every key level and all the fib drawings and more, plus the consistent education you need to lock in with Pay to Play University. If you want to learn the Max way, the Mastermind is the only way, and you can check out the #1 futures course in the world with the Mastermind. And if you want all the sauce, Futures One is your home, with wild guest appearances in the Futures One's course from Stock Market Wolf, Tory Trades, Matt Miller, TBM, so many wild.
Jake was on there, Ricci.
Jake Ricci, and more. If you guys want it all, Tick and Ferk.
Everyone rocks.
$5 dono. Everyone rocks. Appreciate you all. Thank you so much, Tick and Ferk. And we appreciate you guys. If you guys want to book a coaching session, we got all the most elite coaches in the industry with Javi, Coach, Izzy, and more. If you guys want to buy an indicator, we got a great indicator suite where, yes, you can get continued education and live trading with the indicator with Javi and the Quantum Gang and all the other great indicators that we have. Make sure you guys check out the indicators. We don't really care if you buy anything or not. What we do care about is tip the staff. Tip the staff, guys. The moderators work here totally off tips, 100% free, because they, another one. We appreciate you, Turk and Ferk. Have a great evening. Thank you so much, Jay the Creator. Thank you for all the donos, guys. Tip the staff. $20 from Anthony just to post a whoop, 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 whoop. Hell yeah. Thank you, brother.
Appreciate that, Anthony.
That goes right to the staff. Rob them with $100 dono in the Discord to the staff. Rob them. You're an absolute legend, brother. And I saw your huge day on the 15 fundeds. Congratulations. If you deserve it, the universe will serve it, Rob, and you do. Guys, Max Options Trading Live is a 1 day and a wake up before we start. I will see you all at reception. Briefly, I will be at the reception at Thursday, 5 o'clock. The weather is dropping. Bring a jacket. It's casual, guys. It's casual. Don't be showing up in suits and tuxedos and all this shit. Dress comfortable. Dress casual. Dress nice. Dress comfortable, dress casual, dress nice. Big Daddy Max is wearing a hoodie, some jeans, and some fucking designer shoes. That's basically how I'm going to be dressed the entire weekend. I'm probably going to get a Miami Heat jersey or something.
Did I return my tux?
No, you're supposed to wear a tux.
Okay.
Yeah, you're supposed to wear a tux.
Right.
No one else is. You're special.
Did you get your long sleeve shirt for the pool party?
Yeah, but yeah, but when I wore it, it was a little.
It was a little tight.
Yeah, it was a little tight, and I know the water's going to stick to me like a third skin, so I think I'm going to need to get a bigger one. But yeah, I did get my long sleeve shirt for the outdoor event.
With your water shoes?
Love the Mahi team. Another green day. Not sure what the team is, but thank you. Thank you. We appreciate that. This is Max Options Trading LLC. MOT team. MOT, baby. MOT for life. Guys, tip the staff. Send them a tip. We love you guys so much. And remember, BDM, baby. Code BDM for the greatest promo ever. Code BDM to support us and the team. Code BDM to let us give away $500,000 get back to you guys, the traders, and support you on your trading journey. Congratulations to all the winners. MOT Live is one fucking day and a wake up way, baby. And don't forget on TPT, you can hit P2P for the Lama. Have an epic Tuesday. There is no podcast today. There is no Traders and Haters podcast today. There is going to be the Trading Podcast live at MOT. I will be sitting down with the COO of Apex and some wildly big influencers like Peter Tuchman, the Einstein of Wall Street, Matt Miller, Stock Market Wolf, Jake Ricci, and more. So we will have the podcast filmed live at Max Options Trading Live. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Can't wait to see you guys and have the best freaking weekend ever. And that's it, baby. Great day. Great day. Big Daddy Lama.
Banger day, guys. Banger fucking day. It was a pleasure. We hope you guys didn't play the chop after. We got really the real day with the impressive sell-off right at the start. With the up move, we anticipated the drop and pop. Talked about it at 9 a.m. in the pre-market, guys. Make sure join the Battalion, join Quantum Gain, join the Mastermind, join Futures One, Pay to Play University with access to me and Coach daily. If you want to better your trading, guys, we do appreciate y'all for being here. All we ask for, tip the staff, guys. Month's almost over. The first month of the year, we're already almost at $30,000 given away. We will probably blow up to $50,000 after this event because we plan on giving away a lot of fucking bread. 50. That's what we plan on doing, giving away fucking bread. So, it was a pleasure, guys. Make sure to follow all the staff, Jamie, Coach, Logan, Javi. I don't know if I'm missing anybody. Oh, Izzy. And it was a pleasure, guys. We appreciate y'all. Stay disciplined. Patience will always pay. For those coming to the event, can't wait to see y'all. We're out of here. Love y'all. Remember, code BDM. Best on every firm. Get the fuck out of here.
Anarchy?
Yes, CC, you do. Get access to everything.
CC, do you love me? Are you riding? So you never ever.
A bunch of babies. I mean a hoodie.
Anarchy, kick fire on them hoes, baby. We love y'all. We'll see you tomorrow. Coffee steam and the green candle. Big Daddy Max with his hands on the handle. Charts up like a stained glass panel. Reaching price levels, lighting up the channel. First 15, y'all, that's the line. Opening range, mark horizontals in white. If it rips past high, he's riding that flight. If it snaps that low, he's shorting on sight. Let's go.
It's the Big Daddy Money Show. Raise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
Holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet. Yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet. Yo.
Lama, red pajama on the cam. Laughing while he draws those levels on the span. Golden line swing like a church choir stand. Pull back, hit the mark, that's a gift, that's a plan. Dibs on the move, he hums like a hymn. From the swing to the wick, watch the retrace swim. If it holds that zone,
He's all in with the grin.
if it cracks that floor,
He's dancing out again. Step out. It's that Big Daddy morning show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
gospel in the game.
Hallelujah, holly on the floor.
Most entertaining thing on the internet, yo.
Big Daddy morning show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow.
Aim it in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet, yo.
Candles talk. What they saying? They say trend strong. Y'all keep praying. Which shout? What they showing? They show turnarounds. Time to get going. Red to green, congregation stand. Green to red, they clap their hands. Even in a loss, they sing that song. Right edge, right wrist, we'll be strong. It's that Big Daddy morning show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
And the game on the floor.
Most entertaining thing on the internet.